What? You're not creating videos on social media? If you're not, then you're really missing out. In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 reasons why videos on social media are so effective and why they work so well for building an online business. So stick around. All right, well, my name is Mark Harbert and welcome to this video. If this is the first time that you are on my YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell because I put out videos on a regular basis and I want to make sure that you get access to them. Now, let's talk about it. A lot of people are afraid of doing video, or maybe they're just not aware of how effective video is and how you can use it to build your business. Well, I'm going to share with you those 3 reasons. So let's go ahead and let's dig in right now. All right, number 1, video creates know, like, and trust. Now, in order to really build trust with your prospects, they have to get to know who you are and what it is that you offer that can actually help them. In a lot of ways, a lot of people discount the idea that if people get to see me, hear my voice, and kind of learn my mannerisms and what I'm all about, that they may not like me. Well, the truth is, video also has that effect. It can repel people. But the truth of the matter is it will so much more attract the people to you that are interested in what you have and what you're offering, but most importantly, people that are sold on you. So video builds know, like, and trust like no other medium online. Text cannot do that. So video is a crucial part to building online. Now, just look at your own habits and think to yourself, how many videos do you watch every day? It's probably a lot if I'm right. Because we all watch videos. I watch videos on social media, YouTube, TikTok, you name it. I watch videos all the time. So if you look at your own habits, you know that video is super, super popular. All right, let's dive into number 2. Number 2 is simple. People love videos. Okay, people love videos. This is one of the reasons why it's so effective. Okay, if you look online right now and you look at the hottest marketing trends in the videos, you've got videos and it's the short videos right now that are really all the rage. Okay, so you got places like TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, but people love videos and they're spending a massive amount of time every single day watching videos. Now, I don't know about you, but I like watching TikTok. I like watching Instagram Reels. I sit down, I watch it, I learn a whole bunch of things using these platforms. So it's very crucial that if you want to start learning and you want to do what people do, be where people are and what they love, you have to start doing videos. But I love to do them on YouTube, especially because YouTube, I believe, is the one place. It's the number 2 search engine in the world, and it's some of the best traffic that you can get. So creating videos is crucial to your success. Why? Because people love them. All right, let's dive into number 3. All right, now this is my favorite reason of all. This is why it's so effective, is that when you create videos and you put them out there online, they can generate leads for you 24/7 every single day, even while you're sleeping. You have to think about this for a second, okay? Just one of you. So if you spend all your day on social media and you're out there and you're prospecting every day and you're reaching out to potential clients or partners or team members or whatever it may be, you can only be in one place at one time. So you're only able to talk to one prospect. But when you start putting out videos and content, guess what happens? You start to duplicate yourself over and over and over again. So when I put this video out, it's going to remain on YouTube. I'm going to put it on TikTok and Pinterest and several other places. That video will always remain there. Okay, it will be there. And if somebody comes across it, they click to my website, they get to know me. That video can be there 5 years from now, 10 years from now, 20 years from now, still bringing people into my business. So over time, as you create video content and you put it out there and you disperse it among the platforms, guess what? You are creating a residual lead machine. Everybody talks about residual income. What about residual leads? How about you use leverage in building your business? That's what video content can do for you. All right? Do you know any other ways that you can use video in your business or why it's so effective? Do me a favor, leave me a comment below. And just for checking out this video, I'm going to give you access to my 101 video creation ideas PDF. go to markharbert.com/101 and you can check it out. All right, we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.